Once the system is connected to the patient, press Infuse to begin operation. Infusion will automatically start at 10 milliliters per minute. Infusion rate, set rate, total volume infused, temperature of the fluid, and line pressure are continuously displayed. The system should not be used to warm platelets, cryoprecipitates, or granulocyte suspensions. Lactated Ringer solution, dextrose in water, and hypotonic sodium chloride solutions should not be added to blood components. Do not add solutions containing calcium or other additives that would compromise the anticoagulants in blood. Clots in the blood products may block the flow of fluid and cause overheating. Do not use the device if temperature probes or disposable set windows are wet, dirty, or blocked, as they can compromise the accuracy of the temperature probes and cause the unit to call for an increase of output temperature. Thoroughly clean the temperature probes and disposable set windows before each use. Do not use fluids stored in an overly high temperature fluid warming cabinet. The use of pre-warm fluids is not necessary. Pre-warm fluids that exceed the temperature limit will trigger an over-temperature alarm. In the event that the unit has displayed an overheat or over-temperature indication, discard and replace the disposable and blood product. Assure an optimal infusion site with sufficient flow capability and appropriate cannula bore size to avoid overpressure indication. Assure that bags have fluid in them. Press the up and down arrows to increase or decrease infusion rate. Press and hold to change the rate quickly. Fluid will be precisely warmed at all infusion rates. You could press the stop button at any time. Pressing the bolus key will deliver a specific volume of fluid. The volume delivered will be displayed on the lower half of the bolus key until the bolus operation is complete. Available bolus options are 100, 200, 400, 500, and 1000. To change the bolus settings, press stop and then press and hold the bolus key to scroll through the different values. When the desired bolus volume is displayed, simply release the bolus key. The default infusion rate is 200 milliliters per minute. To change the infusion rate, simply press the up arrow to increase the rate or the down arrow to decrease the rate. If you would like the bolus to be delivered at 500 milliliters per minute, press the bolus key and then press the 500 milliliters per minute rate key. Pressing the recirculation key will recirculate fluid through the reservoir and disposable circuit. This feature is used to warm and mix fluids and will automatically stop after 5 minutes. As fluids are warmed, gases are formed. The Belmont Rapid Infuser RI-2 will trap these gases within the system and automatically purge them into the atmosphere. When this occurs, removing air will be briefly displayed on the screen, and you may see bubbles escape through the recirculation or vent line. At the end of the procedure, be sure to disconnect from the patient and power down by turning off the power switch.